Okay guys, I've just done a breakdown of cable and dropped it into the group, which I'm just now putting the strength in for them. Let me flick this over and I'll kind of show you it as we go. So I'm about to go into market. Okay, Trader Clinic, put this in. I'll explain it in just a second. So that's there. And if you go on the Bulls and Bears, or if you're a Plus member trade tracker, you will see that I've just done an analysis here. And then I'll follow the trade down in this section. Okay. Now, first thing I need to do is figure out what's going on, and then I'll explain it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm looking for the break of here into that blue line. That's the general gist of this particular trade. And I'm going to follow candles down if I can. Okay, so let me get rid of that. Bear with me just a second while I switch something on. That's it. Sorry, needed to switch my other screens on. I'm just starting. Your fault, little Joe, little Yoda there. Behind me times now. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in a basic order to start with, which is the top of these. Now, it is a relatively low level scalp, this, for the next sort of half an hour. Later to the party, I'll reassess it at 11 o'clock. But at the moment, I'm just looking at this barrier here, which is about 6 pips, give or take. Now, that comes from this. Okay. Now, what it's telling me is I could buy it across the board, which it is. It's telling me to monitor, but that's come in as a scalp. All right. What that means is if that triggers as a scalp, that means there's slight indecision in the higher time frames, and there is on the 4-hour chart. Now, if that's the case, I don't really want to steer my welcome. So it's given me a base target of about 4 pips for a scalp, but I think we can maybe get a little bit more because all of it's in our favor. So we'll push that across, and that's where that comes from. So it'll come up, bounce off there, and as it bounces off that, get the profit, reassess it, see what's going on, and there's nothing to say. You can't go back to market again. So if I drop this out to here, this will kind of explain what's going on a little bit. So we've got a strong drive here. It's pulled down and it's progressively moving higher. Now it has pulled back on itself, so it's looking to push up. But what I'm concerned about is whether or not this is topping out to pull against this particular move. So it might well be showing that it's on an upward move, but if it decides to retrace on itself, well, if that's the case, it's going to come back against this, which means it's going to come down to here. And it hasn't tried to get there yet, but it has broke the 23. It's attempted the 38. So it may well try and come back for the 50. Now, if it doesn't, and it's standing as a failure of the move, well, if that's the case, well, then it's going to look to move higher, and it's going to look to move here. But it has all of these little barriers in its way. Might take it a couple of days to get up there, or certainly all of today. But in the meantime, as you can see, the markets do oscillate. Well, you can work the range, and you take what the market's willing to give. And at the moment, the market is willing to give a scalp. So we look at this, highly possible. But again, down, cross, move, back to where it come from. That's the next expansion. And that's what I'm looking to do. Okay. So all I need to do is just follow the red candles down. Now it's closed out of that one. I'm going to monitor it on a 15-minute. Put that across. There's the red candle. I want to see it break the top of that and get higher. But the further down I can get, the better. So that's the plan, and we'll see it play out. Okay, Casp, that was for you, kid. Nice, easy trade. Well executed. Hope you followed it through. So just need to make certain I've got no tickets running. So nothing there. Get rid of these extra orders that I put in. And then there you go. 67 quid in half an hour. So about 30 minutes to do 67. It's gone to that area. I can reassess it and re-enter the market if I wish. But the job's done, and as you can see, it was a nice, easy way to trade. I'll keep doing these for you. So if I see it, I'll step in. If you ask me, I'll break it down. So keep them coming, kid. Catch you soon.